So this is Belmont, North Carolina, small town, just outside of Charlotte. I like this town. One of my favorite coffee shops is here. There's usually good scenery, good people watching, good street photography. Right now it's a little dead though, because I think everybody is out on vacation. So it's a little quiet out here on this Saturday afternoon, even though the weather is nice, not too humid, not hot. Go figure. But we're just gonna walk this street anyway. Let y'all take a look around. And here we have mug shots, coffee and tea. Love that coffee spot. I'm sure I'll stop in there in a little while. And this place really embraces its little small town vibe. All of this is old architecture. Nothing changed, but it still looks cool. There's plenty of money here, don't get me wrong, but they haven't changed anything, and it works.
Good, you deserve it.
I gotta ask, what are you doing?
Video camera.
Oh, okay, cool. City of Belmont.
That's it.
We're live on TV.
Oh Lord.
Maybe.
Oh Lord.
Nellie's Kitchen, Southern Kitchen. It's pretty good food. A lot of deep fried, southern fried stuff, but also a little bit of a high-end flair to it as well. Check out the City Hall over here on the left. Small building. I love how people are staring at me on the street, walking around with this camera up in the air. It's always fascinating. People are like, what is that tall, bald-headed black dude doing? Just walking around with a camera. That's what I do. See, this will be a very short video because pretty much near the end of downtown now. I like this restaurant here, String Bean. We eat there pretty often. Wide variety of food, steaks, fish, burgers, good craft beers, local imports, all that good stuff. And yeah, that is about it. See, it's quick. Small town, really short walk, really short video. Belmont, North Carolina. Go figure.